Hello class 8 student, today we will be solving question number 10, simplify. So this is our main question. We have to simplify it and express the result as a power of 5. So the answer we have to show it as a power of 5. So let us solve. It is given inside the bracket minus 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 7 into minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 9, then bracket close, divided by again within bracket minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 2, then bracket close. So first we will solve the curly bracket. So it is inside the curly bracket. So first we will solve this part. So base is our same, minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So one time we can write minus 2 by 5. Then as it is multiplication, so power we will add. So minus 7 plus then 9. Then divide, then minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 2. Minus 2 by 5. So directly I have done what I have done. Say base is same. So one time we can write minus 2 by 5 minus plus minus. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So I have written 2. Divide is there. So power will be minus, or we will deduct the power. So what I have written minus 2. Again I am saying say minus 2 by 5. Base is same. So one time I have written, divide it is there. So power we will subtract. So minus plus minus. 9 minus 7 is 2. Divide is there. So power will be deducted. So minus then power 2. Minus 2 by 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what we know, as per our rule, a to the power 0 is 1. So value of a to the power 0 is 1. So minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 0, our value will be 1. In the question it was asked that we have to make the result, means the answer, power of 5. So what I have written, 1 raised to the power 5, means 1 into 1 into 5 times we will multiply 1, we will get our answer as 1. Then question number 11, solve. Number 1, 5 raised to the power 3x equal to 1 by 125. So here you see, here our base is 5 and here 1 by 125. So what we have to do, we have to make the base same. So it is 5. What I have written, 5 raised to the power 3x equal, this 1 by 125 we can write as 1 by 5, means 5 into 5 into 5 gives us 125. So how many times we have written 5? 3 times. So we can write it as 1 by 5. 1 into 1 into 1 we will get 1. 5 into 5 into 5 we will get 125. So we can write 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. Now base we have to make same. Here 5, here 1 by 5. So we have to make the base same. What I have done? 5 raised to the power 3x equal, this 1 by 5, what I have done? I have reciprocated the value. So 1 by 5 we can write it as 5 raised to the power minus 3. So if we reciprocate this, we will get 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. Same. So we will write this part. So what I have written? 5 raised to the power minus 3. Now see, base is same. So 5 got cancelled. So next step is 3x equal minus 3. Then x minus 3. This 3 will go in the denominator. Then cancelling, 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. So what is our answer? Minus 1. Minus is there. So value of x is minus 1. Now see question number 4. What it is? F raised to the power x minus 1 equal to 1. So again we have to make the base as same. So what I have written, first one, 5 raised to the power x minus 1 equal. Here it is 1. So what we know? According to our rule, a to the power 0 is 1. So if I write 5 to make the base as same, we can write it 5 raised to the power 0. So what we will get? 1. 5 raised to the power 0, value will be 1. So what I have written, 5 raised to the power 0. Then 5 got cancelled. Then what is the remaining? X minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0. X, then from left hand side it will go to the right hand side. So it is minus 1. When it will go to the right hand side, it will become positive 1. Then next question, say 5 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power minus 6 equal to 5 raised to the power minus x. So again here we can see that the base is same, so no need to worry about the base. Now see 5 and here multiplication. So remember, whenever it is multiplied, the power we will add. So 2 time it is there, 1 time we can write 3, multiply it is there, so we will add, plus then plus then this minus x equal 5 minus x. So 5 got cancelled, 3 plus minus minus 6 equal to minus x. Now what I have done, the variable I have taken it to the right hand side, so left hand side. So variable, this x is the variable always we should write in the left hand side, and the numbers, the values, we should write in the right hand side. So minus x equal to 3 minus x will give us 3. 6 is greater, 6 minus 3 is 3, and before 6 minus is there, greater, 6 is greater, minus is there, so what I have written, minus 3. Then minus got cancelled, so what is the value of x? X equal to 3. Now next question is 25 raised to the power x equal to 5 raised to the power 8. Now see again, base is different, so what we'll do, we have to make the base same. So 25 is 5 into 5 makes 25. So 2 5s are there, so what we can write, 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2, and here see again one x is there, raised to the power x equal 5 by 8. 5 2 into x is 2x equal 5 raised to the power 8. Then 5 got cancelled, 2x, remaining is 2x equal to 8. So 2x equal to 8. So x equal to 8 will be the numerator, 2 will become the denominator, then cancel it, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 4.